So next up, guys, I got a 2006 day cab truck here. It's a Mack Vision CXN613. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but got good dual stacks there, guys. Rubber looks good, aluminum rims, right around 202-inch wheelbase, I believe. It does have a hitch here on the rear, which is cool as well. Pintle hitch there. It was being used to demo this wrecker unit, so that will not come with the truck, but you can kind of see that with the truck if you do have any interest in that as well. But right around 390,000 miles, Eaton 10-speed manual transmission there. And you got a Max, like a 425 horse diesel motor, I think. So I'm here with Stevie. He's gonna fire it up. He's gonna give you a nice demo. Real healthy sounding truck, guys. Fires off right real nice there. Little forward reverse here. Wrecker unit works good as well, guys. But a really clean truck, clean frame. Good chrome bumper. Get reverse there. Real sharp looking truck. You can get that in all the pictures as well. Roll back and forth for you. Good 10-speed transmissions too, those E4s. So there's the demo, guys. 2006 Mack CXN613. Real nice little day cab truck, whether you're wanting to haul grain or anything like that. Just a real nice unit. So look, guys, at auction time at Old 20 Auctions.